All right, today's lesson, we're going to derive the volume formula of a cylinder. The volume of a cylinder is the cubic space that fills the inside of the cylinder. So we're looking for the amount of space that fills up this insides of the cylinder. The formula for the volume of a cylinder is based off the volume of a cube. Recall that a cube has the same sides, same length of all three sides, the length, width, and height of the same length. So the volume is just going to be the side cube. Whereas the volume, we're dealing with the circle, with the radius. So you have to get the area of a circle and then multiply it by the height of this cylinder. So recall the area of a circle is pi times the radius squared. Therefore, the volume of a cylinder is the area of a circle, pi times the radius squared, times the height. This concludes the lesson for the volume of a cylinder.